Hey, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to the channel of Learn English with Sonali, and I am Sonali. So, how are you all, friends? I hope that you all are doing great. Friends, today in this video, I am going to talk about that lot of English language learners who begin to learn English language, they face this problem that they can listen anything in English and they can interpret it. I mean that they can understand everything in English language. They can read, they can write, but when it comes to speak in English language, they feel that they are unable to speak in English language. So what is the reason behind this, that they are not able to speak in English language? And today in this video I am also going to provide you solution for this, to overcome this problem, okay? Because when I started to learn English language, I also faced this problem that I used to understand everything in English. I used to write, I used to listen, I used to interpret the people's opinion, what they are saying, but I was not able to speak in English. So what exactly I did to overcome that problem, today I am going to share that thing with you. So make sure that you watch entire video, because it is going to be really helpful for you. So let's get started with our today's topic. So initially I am going to share with you one of incidents with which happened with me when I was in 11th standard. Actually, up to 10th standard, I completed my education in Marathi medium. Okay, I am a student of Marathi medium, and when I came in 11th standard, I took commerce in English medium. Okay, and all subjects were in English language. It was the first time for me that I was going to study all the subjects in English language, and it was really tough for me. When I used to see that my classmates used to speak in English language, they used to interact with teachers in English language, I used to feel like I was not able to speak in English. I used to feel like I had fear in my mind. Due to this fear, I used to feel if I speak in English language and if I speak in incorrect English, then these classmates would laugh at me, or people would laugh at me. So I used to uh, think that I will not speak in English language. I used to avoid to speak in English language. So this was one of stupidity actually. That's why I decided that, I mean, when I understood the importance of English language, I decided that I will not avoid to learn English language. So finally, when I took the decision that I will take steps towards learning English language, I started to take steps. Okay, so what exactly I did to speak in English language to overcome this problem, that I uh, had this fear that I was not able to speak in English language in front of people. So what I did, so I was able to write, I was able to read, I was able to understand everything in English. So I had to take steps for speaking in English language. So initially I started to listen every day in English language. Okay, I used to watch English series in English language, and with subtitles. I used to watch comedy English movies. Okay, and I used to watch cartoon stories, or any kind of cartoon in English language for uh, improving my English language, because I had to focus on speaking. So I had to create that environment to learn English language surrounding to me. So I started to listen every day in English language, and simultaneously I started to focus on speaking. I did not have that environment to speak in English language or to learn English language. I used to practice every day in English language at least for 10 to 15 minutes. I used to practice by myself, okay? As I said in my earlier videos also, that I used to practice by myself, okay? So how I practiced? Initially, I used to take any topic, or suppose if I watched any story, any I listened any news in English language. I used to express my thoughts in English language on that particular topic. Okay, friends, for thinking in English language, I always say that we need words. Okay, so this is also important that we have to focus on reading, because when we read something in English, we learn new words. And I always say that for thinking in English language, we need words, and that's why we have to enhance our vocabulary. That's the thing which did, friends. I used to focus every day on every aspect for learning English language. I mean, I used to listen every day in English language something, and I used to read. I had a book, so I used to read from that book at least one page, and I used to search meaning of those words, because it's not possible, friends, to learn list of words in a day. It's really not possible, and that too, to remember those words, it's really difficult. And that's why I used to do these kind of activities every day. And friends, for speaking in English language, I understood that we have to start to practice every day in English language. So I used to do it every day during my journey of learning English language. So friends, this is the thing, that if you want to speak in English language, then you have to focus on practicing to speak in English language every day. I mean, if it is not possible to give whole day, so you can give 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, it is possible for every person. I took steps for speaking, for learning English language uh, through my daily activities. Okay, I did not have that separate time to learn English language. That's why I used to practice in English language with my daily activities. And friends, while focusing on speaking, we should also focus on consistency. I mean that we need to keep consistency while speaking every day in English language. We should give at least 10 to 15 minutes every day with consistency. This is the key for speaking. Remember this thing, that increase your vocabulary, focus on listening, focus on speaking every day in English language. With your daily activities, you can do these things, friends. And it is possible for you if you want to learn English language at home, because I have also did this same thing. I have also learned English language at home by myself. So it's of course possible if you want to. And while learning English language, while speaking in English language, I have taken benefit of free resources. Okay, I have not joined any kind of classes for learning English language. I have taken benefits of all free resources. I mean, everything was available on internet. I took help of Google Translation, Google for knowing meaning of words, and of course I focused on reading different kind of stories on internet. We can do that now. So this was the thing, I took benefit of internet. So friends, this is the key, that practice is the key if you want to speak in English language. If you do these things with consistency, you will definitely achieve fluency on on English language. So friends, this is the thing. This was the today's video. I hope that this will help you to go ahead with your journey while learning English language. So implement this technique on yourself, that give at least 10 to 15 minutes for practicing an English language every day. Okay. So friends, uh, let me know your opinion, your if you have any suggestion, if you want me to make video on any particular topic, in the comment section please respond, friends. And please make sure that if you are new on this channel, if you and when you subscribe the YouTube channel, you will please hit the bell icon also, because when you hit the bell icon you will receive notification of my videos and you will be able to watch it. Let's meet in the next video with the new topic. Until then, bye bye.